Good morning. It is a Friday. No, yeah, it's a Friday today, and we are already out up and about. And today we're gonna go on a short little hike. Like it's still a hike, but it's a really easy hike. It's to Cheung infinity pool, which I'm not sure if you've heard of, but it's really pretty. It's like a natural infinity pool. But I don't think we're gonna get into it because it's not actually allowed. But currently we're in a outlet store, so we went to Dongjong and they have an outlet. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. Yeah, so it's a shopping outlet. Ted bailed on us today, so it's Anna, Jason, Kevin and Aaron who have come with us today. So yeah, this is a whole it's a big outlet shopping centre, so everything's an outlet. This is the first time I've been here because I didn't go when they went to the Buddha. But it's quite cool, it's quite nice. We're going to get food now, that's what we're looking for, food court. It's the food we've chosen, pho and pho. What's that? It's a eel omurice. Eel omurice.
Teriyaki eel with omelette flex.
Oh wow. And I've got water, so I'm not going to get a drink. So yeah. Ken had this the other day, so they said it wasn't that good, so we need this one. It's a bit windy right now, but we've just gotten to Dai'o, which is right at the end of the bus journey, and this is the bus terminal. This is what the fishing village looks like, and I think that you need to carry on the path to there's like a couple of temples, hotels, piers, but our path is this way. Look, Kevin's up on her thing. Don't lose my lid. Yeah, and we're just spraying ourselves with mosquito spray before we head out. But the hike begins here. Not very long, but yeah. Did you get a good picture, Kevin?
Yeah.
Good views up there. There's a little mural made by the cat home.
It's actually from Chiggers.
Yeah, I know. I thought about that. I took a picture of it in the beginning. Wow, this is so nice.
The cranes on the line. The white way down there. Well, I don't think they're cranes, but there's something like that.
Wow. This is really pretty. I want a picture. So we have conquered the pier, the easiest part, all of that bit, and then now we're going to walk along the shore through this fishing village. So yeah, it is really hot because there's barely any shade. The sun's just on us constantly. You distract him, right?
Just walk past slowly.
Oh no, you think there will be?
Maybe not here.
Just don't look at them. You said don't run.
Oh. Don't make it.
Jason will run.
If you run,
Oh.
I'll
It's like Tiffany's house.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh god.
Maybe my grandma.
I'm losing air. Don't fall. Don't fall, Jason.
Huh? I'm fine.
Don't fall. I don't think we can do anything beyond difficulty 3. 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
It's not a 3 out of 10. Whee, down. Whee. That was like several sad accents. What? What? It was huge, it was like this
don't
big.
scream like that.
I wanna see.
Get the fuck
I wanna see.
Oh my god, how did no one else see that?
Someone there was a picture. They said it was that big. That was it. Oh,
It was on the blog.
yeah.
The same one.
Don't fall, Jason. Was it like stripy? Was it like had some orange?
It was huge.
Ignorance is bliss. I'm not looking at it.
Oh my god.
Stop looking around. Don't scream like that unless it's like a lizard or. Oh, I was recording. What the hell?
Would be funny to run like that.
You okay? Use your fan.
No, I'm not.
So we're at one of the checkpoints. This is where the path breaks off and it tells you, well, the sign tells you to go up the stairs, but our guide tells us to carry on along the path. So, how long has it been? Oh, we walked for, is it 45 minutes? I think we're 45 minutes into
I
it.
think we walked faster than the time. It said it'd take 35 minutes to get to that view there. But I swear it's only.
Oh, okay. I haven't been checking my guide because it's too hot. Anyway,
This is the check.
Are
they going?
Hold on.
No, it specifically says don't.
our
go.
guide says no, so let's go this way.
We go for the next set of stairs on our left. Though.
At least someone's looking out. Ready? Yeah, relaxing. That's a campsite up there where you could have a little pit stop.
Are they Canadian or American?
No, I didn't hear enough of the accent.
Yeah.
So, we're on one of the last, I think, is this one of the last legs
Yeah. At the top of the
of our journey? Ooh. We've seen loads of people coming down now.
So this is like my back garden in my village.
Whoa,
We deep down.
steep, steep.
Does look nice.
Wait. Wow. So when I stopped saying this is the last stretch and it was all these stairs, that was the hardest hike of my life. Not that I ever hike.
But you're playing.
You're fat, you're behind me. So, no way I'm a very good hiker. I'm so tired, fuck me. Oh my god. How? Guys, are you ready? You may think the view behind me right now is quite nice, but oh my god. Look at that! It's the natural infinity pool. Wow. And then behind me, it's a huge waterfall which everyone's climbing up now. And it's behind me, we're still taking pictures. But honestly, this place is insane. We can't get in the water though, not that we have swimming stuff, but there's a guard there who will take a picture of you and report you if you do. So just gonna admire the scenery for now. But oh my god, wow guys. The climb here was actually like terrifyingly hard. Maybe not for experienced hikers, but for us it was so hard. But really amazingly worth it. It's so nice. So yeah, I'm gonna sit and take pictures now. Bye, no more for you. I lied about not taking any more videos. How could I not? I've climbed up here. Still taking pictures and resting. Ooh. Oh. Wow. This is one of the best GoPro videos I've ever taken. Probably.
I changed network. It changed network. Holy slippery fuck.
There's tourists here in the mountain. That's insane. The guards left, but we're leaving too, so. No prosecutions for us.
There's like some sort of tunnel there.
No.
Like it, but it's not. There's my phone.
Anna and Joe should do that typical girl selfie where they sit down and then
I wouldn't mind. Not bad. No, it seems like it'd be boring. It'd be fun if it was every light's above you.
I can't get a good picture of photos. It's alright. Aaron putting in my eye drops. Ouch! I know. Ice fire. I got myself a Hoi Lam Gai Fan meal, and then Kevin helped me get a Hong Dao Bing. I think the rest are still ordering, but we are back at the same food court. You are not mistaken. But it's kind of like the quickest food stop. How's it feel? No, he doesn't look happy. Never again. Yeah, but it was just like the quickest meal, and we were coming back towards the MTR station on our way back home, so may as well eat here. So yeah, I'm gonna eat now. Hi, so we actually bumped into Ted when we were downstairs. We went into Circle K when when Aaron needed some plasters. So we walked in, and then Aaron was like, oh my god, and I looked ahead and I saw his blonde hair and his pyjama top, and I was like, oh, and I like ran, cannonballed into him, and he was like, oh my god. Like that. Ted got a Hoi Lam Gai Fan as well, so we were like twinsies for dinner. We both got it. And that's it for tonight. Some of the others are going to a rooftop bar tonight, but I'm not really into it. I'm too tired as well. And we've got the boat party going on tomorrow, so that'll be good. So see you then. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. You might be able to remember. We are here. We're at Xin Soi Wan.